The conservation of nature is a commitment of love with living beings and with the environment they inhabit. In the Quindío Botanical Garden, located in the central Andes of Colombia, in an area of very high biological diversity, we protect the regional plants and teach about their close relationship with the butterflies, the birds, other biological organisms, as well as with the soils and the waters. More than 850 botanical native species inhabit the 37-acre area where we operate. Located at 1,419 meters above the sea level, and the annual precipitation is 2,162 millimeters with 2 rainy seasons. The average temperature is 69.9 Fahrenheit. Colombia is the second country with the most diversity of palms. We've worked intensively for its preservation. Actually, we count more than 200 native species in our collection. At the Ethnobotanical Palm Museum, we exhibit products that show the different uses of palms, as in nutrition, housing, medicine, and ornamentation, among others. The Helicone collection is also very significant. Colombia has half the species of the Heliconia genus of the planet. And in the garden, we have almost 100 samples of them. The arboreal ferns are also another of our biggest attractions. There are more than 24 species which we reproduce in our nurseries for their conservation and reintroduction to the wild. The garden also has a great variety of orchids, bromeliads, many species of Araceae family, succulents, carnivorous plants, and more than 40 native medicinal plants. To teach the relationship between the flora and other biological groups, we built an insect zoo. As well as one of the most beautiful butterfly gardens of the world, with 2,000 specimens of 60 native butterfly species. We reproduce in the lab all of the specimens that we exhibit, and periodically we release some of them to repopulate the natural areas. The Colombian Andean region is very rich in birds. Our inventory of bird fauna in the garden consists of 116 species, of which 9 are migratory. There are 3 different sites to observe them, and in one of them, the humans are in a cage while the birds are free.
De esos detallitos para que las aves, para despistarlas un poco, entonces ya no llegaban ahí, no se chocaban tanto.
Estaban allá, ellos a nosotros no nos están viendo.
No, no nos ven, nos escuchan.
we have a beautiful hummingbird ballet with 9 different species. We teach our local geological history and show a model of the largest engineering construction of the country, the 18th tunnel complex that crosses the Central Andes. Using the garden as an environmental classroom, a group of educators carry out during the school year eco-workshops for children, youth and young adults of different schools and universities that come to learn about the conservation of the biota and the Quindío regional ecology. Specialized guides attend the Colombian and foreign eco-tours that visit us to enjoy this place full of magic and natural beauty. The Quindío Botanical Garden is a non-profit organization founded in 1979 by a group of people led by Alberto Gómez Mejía. We need your support to continue growing and to keep with this commitment of love with nature. Come visit us. www.jardinbotanicoquindio.org